Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial of Unreal Engine. Today's topic is how you can create exterior lighting, how you can create easily a good exterior lighting, okay, in Unreal Engine for level design or any kind of exterior scene you want to create. So how you can easily create, there are several ways. So right now I am in a third person template view. As you can see in front of me, it's a third person template. So yeah, you can see the the horizon and sky system, and all the components are there by default. Okay, by default, yes, you find, if you go to the left hand side, you can find here the details of the lighting. You see here the lighting section. If I off it, totally black. Okay, so it's the lighting section. So if you go to the lighting section, you can see there is a directional light, there is a exponential height fog, there is a post-processing volume, there is a sky atmosphere, there is a skylight, there is SM sky sphere, okay, and volumetric cloud. Okay, so let's say I want to create a like uh, like a open world map, a sky. So what I have to do, like I have to go to this and okay, from the file, start the new level. So as you can see, the open world has its sky and terrain. I mean the land itself. You need to only apply the color and all that. Basic is also comes up with the sky system and the floor. Okay. Only the empty level and empty open world. These two are empty. So like let's say I want to create an empty label. Okay, so just create an empty label. If I go for the basic, okay, create the basic, you can see the basic system. I mean, you have only the floor there, and you have your you have your sky system. That is very easy system to take the lighting, take all the lightings is there, and then you can delete the floor, and then you can have like a landscape system. Yes, and only thing you need to do is just create it. Okay, after doing the adjustment, the landscape system, you just want to create, and before create that, you have to you have to make some put some material on that. So just go there and search some material. Okay, I'll do just like this, starter content, go for the material section, and you find this one. It's a muddy material, or this one like ground moss. Okay, or this one is the ground grass. Okay, let's say this one, I just put drag it and put it here in the material section, just like this. Okay, after your material is applied, then you just only need to create. Okay, create. Okay, done. Your basic train system is done. Okay, by the way, we don't use any kind of height map right now. It's a plain complete plain train. Okay, and you see this landscape actor with the physical material need to be rebuilt. This error appeared actually. So How can you do that? I mean, if you go rebuild this thing, this will not go away. So only thing is just play the level. So you just go to play the level. Oops, uh, you are falling. Okay, uh, go come back to the landscape. Oh, where is the landscape? I don't know. Oh my God. Hang on a moment. There is the landscape. Okay. Frame. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There is the landscape. Okay. I just need to decrease the speed. Okay. Like default speed. Okay. And then maybe, yeah, then maybe click on, okay. Maybe click on play. Oops. I don't know why it's falling. I don't know. Maybe it has a frame. Okay. So the landscape here, I don't know, for some weird reasons it's falling. Uh, I don't know why it's falling. Uh, F F. Okay. Maybe for some reason, maybe there is some problem with the gliding system. I don't know. It's maybe, or maybe for the selection mode. Maybe I'll just switch the selection mode and then try it again. I don't know why is it happening. Maybe I'll have to the player station. Okay. Okay, go there. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe I'll just bring it up a bit. Then just play. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. My mistake. It was under the it was under the ground actually. So as you can see here, the character is there, and character you can have a perfectly, you can have a quite good start of the daylight system. You have the sun there, and you have the little bit of god ray coming there. See, as you can see, I don't know how you can see a little bit of god ray there, and you can see you can move around the train and all that. Okay, so this is how actually you can create a daylight system, basic daylight system from the third person template, the basic template. Okay, as you can, and you can start your work, you can start your, like, putting your content there, and doing your level design. So this is the way number one. What about number two, and most reliable source, most reliable way to create the environment lighting or a daylight system? Okay, the thing is, you have to go to, the file, and the new system. Okay, the new label system. Now you have to select the empty label. Okay, this one, the empty label, the create empty label. Don't save. Okay, create. Now everything is black. You see uh, the label is there. No light, no nothing. Everything is black. Okay, everything is done, and you see a sort of graph there. Okay, so how you do that? You go to the window and you go to the environment light mixer. Okay, this is the environment light mixer, and you dock it to the to this section. Okay, okay, you dock it to this section, and you just one by one click this one. Click create skylight. Create, just ignore this warning sign. Create atmosphere fog. Create sky atmosphere. Create volumetric cloud. Create height fog. Okay, as soon as you create, you see how good looking things. And now only thing is remain is the landscape. Create the landscape, and let's say the same material. Okay, just create. You see, and you see one thing: the sky, the the cloud is looking very realistic. Good from the previous one. Good from the previous one. You see, this is our system. And if I go for the play button, click on play button. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. You see. So if I go for the, if I go for the maximize view, you can have a full view of this. Okay. Okay, you can see the fog, and you can see everything is there. Okay. And one thing, let's say I just minimize this one. And you don't need to change anything. Okay, you don't need to change anything. Just apply these things. These will be applied on your scene by this one. You see, you have directional light, exponential height fog, and all the things is there. Okay, now what you need to do is come back to the selection mode, and maybe you need to create one folder called uh, environ, environment lighting. Okay, whatever the name you're gonna put. Okay, environment lighting. Just skip the landscape, and you just drag them into the folder, so you have more more secured lighting system, and very refined one. The folder system, that this is the environment lighting. If you off this, total black. If you on this, the light system comes. And now I'm gonna show you something. That's my mannequin, and okay, the meshes. Okay, just put some meshes there, some meshes there, some meshes there. Okay, and now see, if I play on Control and L, you can actually create a evening light. You can actually create a morning light. You can create, and the sun system is moving around. Your sun is moving around. Okay, like on the default part, if I go on the maximize view, Control L, okay, you see the cloud and all the things, shadow, everything. And this is the horizon part. If you go for like Control L again, yeah, you see, this is the evening part. Okay, just moving the sun. How good is this, how magnificent is this. Okay, you see the shadow range and all the things. So this is like a evening part, and this is the sunny day part. So yeah, this is how you can move around your sun and also the sky system. So this is the actually, I used it every time. This is the actually, for me, this is the proper system of the daylight creation from the basic empty template. So thank you guys. I think you enjoyed this one and you learned something out of it. So there is two way. One is with the basic template, third person basic template. You can use the whatever the light system is there, you can use that. Or the professional, more professional and accurate way is to create it from the environment light mixer. So this is I used every time in every project of mine. So it gives me a good control over the environment lighting. So thank you guys for your support, and I will be come again with the new tutorial and new tips and tricks. So thank you. Keep subscribe me and keep following me.